I don't like any social media at all, but now I am using all the social media, like the Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, or lots of mobile, everything.
So don't you think, are you a social person?
Yes, I am a social person. Obviously, I have to be a social person. As I am doing business, I have to be a social person. Otherwise, I can't run my business at all.
Excellent. So, Julia, what kinds of people do you like to be friends with on those websites that you use for your social networking?
Um, Basically, I am a honest person, and so I like if I open the Facebook,
Mhm,
I saw lots of ID,
mhm,
different name.
mhm.
Know the exactly name. I like the real person because I I I keep my photo in the Facebook, so I want everyone honest to be on Facebook. Then I can get if someone sent me a friend request, I always check their ID inside,
Mhm.
so I can get the real person, and I can connect with them for my business to run.
What things ensure you that this person is real and this person is honest after visiting
Uh,
that particular profile?
yes. Obviously, I always visit their like Facebook, and if someone have an Instagram, I go to their Instagram. If they matching with the photo or they are like the post. If you visit their post, you
Mhm,
can get easily like information
mhm.
they put. So I can get the matching with them. So I take them as my friend. I take them seriously for my business, and I take always communicate with them, so grow my business as well.
Okay, okay. So, is it easy to find a real friends or real friends on a social networking website, maybe on
Not
Facebook or
really,
something
not
else?
really, not really. If I'm honest with you, not really, because someone put their like exactly like their photo or everything. I got the friend request. I add them as a friend. But when they communicate with me, yeah, this shari, how much is this shari? But after a few minutes, they send me lots of like illegal, lots of unexpected photo, video to me, and
Mhm,
lots of illegal offer to me. So
mhm.
I think it's not easy, that much easy to know the real people on the social media, mainly in the Facebook, basically.
Okay,
It's
excellent.
really hard.
Definitely. Okay, what kind of chatting apps or software do you use for chatting?
Um, it's
I
a
mean, for
very the nowadays it's a very important question
Mhm,
for everyone, and this is very interesting as well, because before it was like first time that was in 2015 I saw in Viber that emo that was very annoying, so I delete all
mhm,
to see my mom. To WhatsApp then come after, and they are staying longer time, I think,
mhm,
in WhatsApp. So everyone, most of the people using the WhatsApp, but nowadays
mhm.
is like Facebook Messenger is useful to talk as well. If you have internet connection, you can easily talk with the people. So it's easy as well. Like if you don't have any minute, or like in here we buy minute as like Bangladesh. So if you have like just the internet, you can talk with the messenger, Facebook Messenger as well. So people are using easily the Facebook Messenger as well to call someone, video call or group call, like this. But
Okay.
mainly like WhatsApp is so useful, I think,
Okay.
for
So
this social
you are
media.
you're saying that people are using a variety of apps for
Variety of,
chatting,
yeah,
but
obviously.
but they're consuming their valuable times, right?
Yes,
So so
obviously.
that means
Obviously, because this is the show of time. You know that people are showing them like they don't care about the family. They don't care. That's why I don't like any social media at all. But if I said I am doing business, so as a business person, I have to communicate with my I have to be a social network. I have to be a social person, so that I have to receive their call where I don't even after 10 I close my device after 10 at night, because my
Mhm.
babies are sleeping, my husband is sleeping, very early morning he have to go for work, so I have to do the like so that
I
I
understand.
stop at 10.
I understand your point. So you are too much judgmental regarding using these types
Obviously,
of software.
I am selfish about that.
You should not only you but also we all should be judgmental using these types
Even
of software?
I leave, if I like very honest with you, I leave lots of people for this who are talking like 1 hour for nothing to me. I leave lots of people, honestly
Okay,
speaking.
I got it.
They were very close to me. They were like friends. They were like, but I leave them at the
Okay.
moment. I'm talking
Okay,
for 5
thank you, Zulia Isaki.